Hi, veterans. I'm Steve, a mortgage broker who has helped hundreds of veterans like you use their VA loan benefit. And lately, I've been getting this question all the time, especially with the news lately. Will DOGE impact my VA loan? Great question. So in this video, I'm going to break down and give you 3 key ways DOGE could actually make the VA loan better for veterans like you and I. So let's get into it. First things first, what even is DOGE? So let's take a look at that. So I think it's important to understand there's been a couple iterations of this document. So Department of Government Efficiency, Executive Order, early implementation, February 6th. What is the actual agenda of President Trump of DOGE? It's to modernize federal technology and software to maximize governmental efficiency and productivity. So that's what they're trying to do, is to kind of bring more technology and software to maximize efficiencies. Now, I think it's important to note on DOGE, this is only lasting till July 4th, 2026. So it's only an 18-month agenda. So that's all DOGE has to really get in the systems and update things. So I think that's why you see such a rapid pace of what they're trying to do, is they only have 18 months before DOGE essentially is going to be, disbanded here. All that sounds great, right? But here's a big question. Could DOGE actually enhance the VA loan program and make it even easier to use for veterans like you and I? So let's talk about how. To give some historical context, there's been some similar government efficiency programs in the past that have led to some improvements in processing times, cutting red tape, and they've tried them in Social Security, they've tried them in Medicare. If DOGE follows a similar model, veterans could see a positive change in their home loan experience. So this is really important to understand. So will DOGE impact my VA loan? That's what we're trying to figure out here. But the VA loan is already an incredible benefit, right? We have zero down payment, we have no PMI, competitive interest rates. But here's how DOGE could potentially make it even better. With more automation technology, DOGE could even bring a better digital tools to the VA loan system, allowing for a smoother application process, maybe some quicker access to the benefits, your certificate of eligibility. Just imagine a future where everything can be done seamlessly online, maybe with AI-driven systems in the back end to really help get us the documentation we need. And so we don't have to go to the back and forth with the VA on simple tasks, such as COEs and updating certain documents. And that's really to qualify. We can make it easier to qualify. So if DOGE can actually cut the red tape, we could see a smoother, less complicated process for veterans to get approved, which could mean fewer requests for additional paperwork, faster verification, that's what I'm all about, and overall kind of a less stressful experience for the veteran, which would, I think, make it easier for veterans to use their benefit. So with the focus on efficiency, with potential technology, improving customer service, additional perks, for the VA loan users, I think that would actually kind of help us with it. So just imagine a future where VA loans included, maybe they can do expanded grant programs or adaptive housing with some of the money they're saving for disabled veterans. Maybe they can, shift the back end a little bit, and some of the savings they're cutting, they can actually put in and lower the funding fees. I don't know. Here's what you do need to know. And what does this mean for you? And like I said, how does this impact you currently on your VA loan? Well, we're going to get that in one second, but here's what you can do to take advantage of all the positive changes I think that are going to be coming. So stay informed, follow updates from the VA, mortgage professionals like myself, to see really how DOGE might impact your home buying process. You can also sign up for our VA newsletter. Keep an eye out on legislative discussions regarding government efficiency, but don't get involved in the clickbait of what's going online, all the news stations. Don't get involved in those. Really look at the documentation and go to trusted mortgage professionals. And I always tell people too, use your benefit sooner rather than later. If DOGE improves the VA loan, great. If not, you're still locking in today's advantages of some of the lower rates. The policies are very favorable to use your VA loan. And just keep in mind that interest rates and funding fees, those can fluctuate based on your down payment and first use, subsequent use. So if you're in a position to buy, like I say, don't wait too long to use your VA loan. Work with an expert. VA loans are already a fantastic benefit, and a knowledgeable mortgage broker can help you get the most out of them, especially if things improve with DOGE. I've seen this firsthand, how small changes in the VA guidelines can make a big impact. And you really want an expert in your corner to ensure you get the best deal for your personal situation. So preparing for potential improvements. While DOGE is still in the discussion phase of how it's going to impact the VA loan, it doesn't hurt to start preparing for a more streamlined VA loan process. As of right now, you're still going to get pre-qualified just like you normally do. We're going to gather documents, start exploring your home options, so you're ready to go. And as I've said, will it impact our VA loan? As of right now, nothing telling us that it's going to impact it. I think it could actually make it a little bit better with the efficiencies, faster, simpler, and even more of a beneficial, loan option with ease of documents. So what do you think? You think you could see some improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're thinking about using a VA loan, let's talk. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, learn more. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.